Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this short video I will show you how you can change the PHP limits on your cPanel. Here you can see this is the original cPanel. Maybe on your hosting, maybe you are using another hosting like Hostinger or SiteGround or some other hostings that they have their own cPanel. So the environment will be a little bit different, but the function is the same. But you can follow this video and you can then figure out how to change it on your own cPanel if it's not the original cPanel. But if it's the original cPanel, then you can just follow the step-by-step video here. Why you need to change the limits? Many times some plugins or some page editors like Elementor require to have a memory limit for at least 512 megabytes. And many hosting have set the limit to be lower, like 256 megabytes or 128 megabytes. So if you don't increase the limit, you can't edit with Elementor and the page editor is not loading, okay? Or maybe you have to upload the post or upload the file on your site and there is a maximum post file upload limit, which is smaller, like it is 2 megabytes and you want to upload the file which is 10 megabytes, okay? So you need to increase the limits here, and it's actually very easy to do it from cPanel. There is also a way to do it if you don't have access to cPanel, to do it through the file manager, and I will do this in another video. But now you see, if you have access to cPanel, that is the easiest, okay? How to do this? You have to scroll down here and find the section that's called software, and then you choose the multi-PHP INI editor. Okay, you click this, and then here you have to choose the domain name, because you want to change it maybe for a specific domain, not for every domain. Here is the drop-down menu with all the domains you have connected on your cPanel. Let's choose one. I choose this one, which is One e-learning website, and then here, after I choose the domain name, and here you will see some numbers, and on the left it says what it is, and there is also an explanation information here in the middle, and here you set the number. For example, the first one, it's max execution time. It shouldn't be so high. I just use it to make a correction, so I will bring it back to 300, and then max input time I will bring also back this to 300, and then I have increased just for the correction these numbers, but you don't need to have it so high, okay? And here is the memory limit. This is one of the most important, because if you don't have at least 512 megabytes, you can't edit with Elementor, and other operations on the site are not working. So for me, I have set it on 1 gigabyte, which is 1024 megabytes. It needs to be like that. You need to have the M at the end. Okay, so you say how many megabytes, and then you have the M at the end. And here, post max size, I have it 512. You can have the same or you can have less if you want. The rest, I leave it as it is. One more thing you have to change is the upload max file size, because this I have seen to be like 2 megabytes, which is very low, and you can't upload files bigger than 2 megabytes. So you can come here, you can increase it. Also, this is too big. I can leave it like 128, and then this is a good setup for me, and then you click apply, and that's it. Now all the changes have been saved and you have set the new limits, and anytime you can come back and change it again and click apply. So this is something that you can change it anytime. If you temporarily have a problem, you can increase or decrease some limits, and then you come later back and you bring it back, or you change it again depending on your needs. And here you will see another video where you can learn how you can change these limits if you don't have access to cPanel. You can do it inside the WordPress dashboard using a plugin. Before you leave, 1 second. If you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. And if this video gave you value, then make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more video about WordPress and about make money online. See you in another video. Bye bye.